Hi friends, it's Morgan with the lovely law firm Injury Lawyers of Myrtle Beach, and today we are out doing another community service project. Today we're partnering with LilyPad, a Safe Space to Land, an organization that caters to foster children in the area and making sure that they indeed have a safe space to land. Oftentimes at our DSS offices, we find that our youth are brought in and they end up sitting for hours in a chair, and they don't really have the resources because there's not enough funding for it. So LilyPad comes in, builds a room, and makes sure that there's linens, arts and crafts, recliners, all sorts of things where the kids can sit and have a good space just for themselves. Come along with us. We're going to be building furniture, putting together rooms, organizing crafts, and painting walls. I can't wait to show you what's coming next, and we'll be doing a ribbon cutting later this week as well. I am here with Jennifer with LilyPad, and I'm going to have her tell you a little bit about this organization, what it means to her, and what her role is in it.
Okay. My name is Jennifer Tice. I am the co-founder with my husband Ben Tice and executive director now. We've been foster parents for 12, almost 13 years, and had over 40 children come through our home, and that is where this grew from. And from the first teenager that we brought into our home about 3, maybe 4 years ago, her experience from her time in foster care since the age of 4 and what she experienced every time she was in a Department of Social Service office. And so that grew from her telling us and sharing us her story. And then when we learned that she had reported what happened to her and been questioned by the police and up most of the night and then brought to a Department of Social Services office to wait for a placement in a foster home, and she was placed in a cubicle and fell asleep there for most of the day, that's when a light bulb went off, like, we could do better than that.
So at the lovely law firm, we specialize in personal injury, and I know we've got a lot of staff members who are educated in trauma care and responsive care and things like that. We know how important it is to have a safe space to land. So tell me about how this kind of room can be that safe spot.
Yeah. So we actually spoke to an occupational therapist who was caring for one of our current foster children, and we asked her, with the children that she cares for, what things we should include in the space. And she talked about things like a rocking chair, because especially a child with special needs or a child that has experienced trauma, if you give them a rocking chair, it's like us in a hammock or a porch swing. If we just get a few minutes, it calms us down, and then the children could retain difficult information better. So we were like, sold, we'll put a rocking chair in. I mean, that's not difficult, right? And weighted blankets and sensory toys. And if I had to be in a room for 12 hours, 14 hours, it's not always that long, but just waiting for a placement and I've already been removed from what's familiar to me, I would just want the comforts of home.
And on that note, please share with the people at home, what are the needs that you have right now and how can they get involved?
We are on track to finish the entire state of South Carolina to have a LilyPad in every office and regional adoption office by the end of 2027. We always need to increase our funding to finish that project, so they can reach out to us at our website, which is lilypadinc.org, and we have options to donate once, be a monthly donor to support us, and we hope to expand our programming to include volunteers coming in and actually serving the children hands-on. So that's all in good time.
We are out here, we are hands-on, we're helping build these rooms and sponsoring things, and we want to be out here maintaining them as well. I hope to see all of you out here maintaining and maybe even see your name as a sponsor on their social media soon. I'll be keeping an eye out for it. Hi friends, I am here with Ben, and I'm going to have him tell you a little bit about his position in this organization and what we're doing here today.
Hey, so I'm a co-founder of LilyPad, a soft place to land, and today we're basically putting comfortable living room environments inside DSS offices for kids coming into foster care that don't have placement yet.
Is there anything in the future that you would want people at home to know or how to get involved?
Yeah, so you can always just check us out on our social media accounts, or you can look at our website on lilypadinc.org. And if you want to donate, there's plenty of options on there and where you can donate, or also contact us at contact@lilypad.org. And if you're interested in volunteering.
Well, you heard it here first, lilypad.org. I hope to see you here soon. This program is so special because it really caters to what these kids need and sometimes what they don't know that they need. So behind me is a lot of different variety of toys. We've got crayons, markers, pens, books, all sorts of things. I personally just built this fridge. A lot of hard work, not something I'm used to. We've got eggs, ice cream, milk, all sorts of things. So these rooms will be filled to the brim with a variety of things to make them feel seen and welcomed and at home, even whenever they are still looking for theirs. And if you want to get involved and help out LilyPad, you can check the links with our Facebook page, our Instagram page, and our website, or get in contact with our office and we will set you right up. These rooms that we are building together at the DSS offices can always use more help in the future. We need people to come in to maintain them and to make sure they always feel beautiful and like a home for these children in our community. So if you want to get involved, check the link connected to this video or reach out to us directly at the Lovely Law Firm. We would love to get you signed up. We have had the best day out here at the DSS office in Conway with the LilyPad Inc. organization. We have built 2 rooms and one at the regional office. There will be a ribbon cutting later this week, and we are so honored and excited to see this whole project come to fruition. This is the 31st room built for kids in the foster care system through this organization, and we hope that you'll get involved in the next one. I know I will be out here, and a couple of our staff will be coming out as well to help maintain these rooms, and you can get involved doing that as well. We'll link all of the organization information below, and we hope to see your name on that list.
When life gets